waiting for me yet again. Thank Julian Candy. Oh. We're in Nature Center. Oh, so beautiful.
While I'm introducing you to the Nature Center. So, you do need the restroom. It is just to the left of the door we entered, and there's a hallway. And you all came here today to study what? Birds. Birds, yeah. Are any bird nerds in the crowd here? Just me? No, me too. Okay. Couple more. Yeah, all right, very good. Hopefully I'll make you all bird nerds after today, because what are they but little tiny or sometimes bigger dinosaurs walking the earth with us, and we'll see some evidence of that today. Has anyone used binoculars before?
I never.
Never have? You're going to learn how today. So.
Yeah,
I can see the words well.
Alright, can everybody see okay with their binoculars?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
We're gonna go outside and practice again before we get going.
Yes,
Yeah. You only have one eyepiece covered. And I only have one eyepiece covered. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. They've been well loved. I don't know what happened.
Not all.
Thank you. Thank you. Something happened. Oh, Natalie, what's that thing? I don't know. It's an all-terrain wheelchair. Oh, I call it the tank chair because you can go anywhere in it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh. I've not noticed that before. I took off my hat. Yeah. So then
Following you for a reason. Oh, there's kids. Oh, there's all kids.
that's the
Ooh, little kids. What's that? Oh my god. Alright, I can't find it.
You can move around.
Oh my god.
What kind of sea birds? There's 2 red-winged blackbirds, a male. He's got the brighter wing. He just chased away the female. There's one on the field. There's a brown-headed cowbird.
Red tail on the tree. Which one? Right there. There's like a red tail.
Oh, that's a squirrel.
Oh, it's a squirrel.
Yeah. See that hat? Very close to me.
teacher.
I think there's a dead squirrel there. It's right there. It has to move. What do you know, right?
Man, there is a dead animal.
That poor thing.
Ha!
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
Look.
On that tree.
Why is its tail red? It's probably a different kind of squirrel.
You can take it off. Right there. It's clear. And
Mom, look it.
I was really curious.
got an orange and half and put it on a stick out in your backyard, you might get Oreo. Right now. So don't get Oreo. Well, you can work with that feeder right.
Make sure we're getting the highlights of the field trip because this is for morning announcement.
Each feeder has different food. So it attracts a
Try to see
variety of birds. But they don't depend on our bird feeders.
Why is the lake like that?
Why is it like that? Why is it like what? Describe it. So that is kind of scum, probably from too much nutrient runoff.
That makes it bad for people too. Yeah.
Well, and it's actually not great for the critters either, but so around here it's all trees and stuff, but it gets a lot of stormwater runoff, so a lot of stormwater, so when it rains, it runs off of the blacktop and then runs down into here, and all the nutrients can end up fueling that kind of scummy looking algae stuff.
Oh, I see.